Mr. Alligator, Mr. Alligator, which number you eat? Which number you eat? I eat the bigger number. Yes, children, you must have heard a story of an alligator who used to eat the bigger number when he gets hungry. See, 2 and 7. Yes, 7 is bigger, so he will eat 7. Same as 9 and 1. 9 is bigger, so he will eat 9. But what if, because as these are 7-digit number, but what happened when we got the bigger number to compare? So today's topic is comparing large numbers. In this video, we are going to learn how to compare the large numbers and how to write down them in ascending and descending order. So if I have two numbers 4, 2, 9, 3, 6, 2, 7, 4, 8. So we need to check which number is bigger. So there are some rules to compare the numbers. So the rule number 1 is we need to count the number of digits in the given number. So the number which has more digits in 8, that number will be the greater number. Let's see how. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And in this number we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So the number which has more digits is the bigger number. So which number is bigger? Yes, of course. The number which has the more digits. So we will put the sign of more than. This symbol is of more than or greater than. That means this number 42,936 is greater than 2,748. Now children, let us take another example. I have another pair of number, that is 4, 3, 2, 7, 6, 4, 2, 3, 8, 7, 5, 9. So again we need to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. So children, which number is bigger or greater? Yes, of course, the number which has the more digits. That means number 42,38,759 is bigger than this, or we can say 43,276 is less than 42,38,759. So I hope the rule number 1 is clear to you. Let us move to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is, so children, here we have seen that the number which has more digits in 8, that number is greater than another number. But what if both the numbers have same number of digits? As if I can have 7, 2, 9, 3, 6 and 7, 2, 4, 8, 5. Now what we need to do, first step is we need to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. But now there is a problem. Both have 5 digits. So which number is bigger? Of course, now let us check. The second rule is we need to compare the numbers from the number digit which has the greater value. As we have learned about the place value chart in the previous video. So let us mark them according to the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Same as ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So children, first we need to compare the digit at the biggest or the greatest place value, that is 10,000. To 7 and 7, both are 7, so we can't see. Suppose if I have here 5, so now we can easily compare the number which has the bigger digit at the highest place, that is 7, and here it is 5. So of course 7, this number will be the bigger number as it has the bigger value at the 10,000 place or at the greatest place. But what if I have the same digit at the highest place? So now again it is any confusion. So let us see, both are 5 digits and 7 at 10,000 place, here also 7 at 10,000 place. So what is our next step? The next step is to check the next value from the left side. The next value is 2 and here the next value is 3. So yes, 3 is bigger than 2 or 2 is less than 3. So that means this number is bigger. So we can say 72,936 is less than 73,485. So same as you can move further. If the second digit is also same, so we will move to the third digit. If third digit is also same, so we will move to the next digit. So this is how we are going to compare the numbers in the large number system. Next thing is how to do the ascending and descending order in the large numbers. So children, you need to apply the same rules in this ascending and descending order as well. How? If I'll take ascending order example, I have some numbers like 42968, 32485, 1296, 7843. So I need to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now what is ascending order? Yes, ascending order is arranging the numbers according to the values. Which has the smaller value or smaller number will come at the first place, and then bigger number and the biggest number. So comparing numbers or comparing large numbers also will be useful here in writing these numbers in ascending order. Let us check how. First step was, what was the first step? Yes, of course, first step was counting the number of digits in the given numbers. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits again. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So children, which is the smallest number in these all numbers? Which have 4 digits, less number of digits? And again, now we need to compare these both numbers. It is 1 at the first place and it is 7. So yes, this one 1296 is the smaller number, and we need to put the symbol of less than here. Yes, less than. Then again, because as these two numbers are of 5 digits, so we will write down this number 7843 as it is the bigger number than this. Then move forward. Now we have two numbers with same number of digits, that is 5. So again we will compare these two numbers, 4 and 3. So yes children, this number is the smaller than this number. So it will be 32,485 and the last number will be 42,968. So this is how we are going to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. And how we are going to arrange in descending order? Yes, we will reverse all this order. Descending order, we are going to do vice versa. Vice versa means just opposite. First in this descending order, we are supposed to write down the biggest number in the very starting and then the least number or the smallest number at the end. So already we have seen, we have already compared these all numbers. So these numbers have the more digits, that means these number will be the larger numbers. So in comparing these two, we found that this number is bigger. This is the biggest number, 42,968. And what symbol we are supposed to write down here? Yes, the opposite one, the greater than symbol, this one. Then next number will be 32,485. Then what is the next number? Yes, you are right. The next number is 7,843 and the smallest number is 1,296. So I hope children you have understood how to compare the large numbers and how to arrange these numbers in ascending order and the descending order form. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Bye-bye. Thank you.